See here, I don't know why it turned itself off. See here, it's pretty good actually, but I'm not happy with it. All right, because this is going to be there for another 30 years, you know what I mean? So let's just keep going on it. Vacuum film for me. Am I recording? Yes. All right, just make sure you get everything. See this? Spray some water underneath too, so the paper will stay where it's supposed to. Just not much to go. All I've got to do now is order the. Make sure you're watching properly. See, this is what happens when you got dirt underneath the sandpaper. It cuts. Right. Always clean the surface, then clean the bottom of the sandpaper, clean the top of the sandpaper. Otherwise, you will get that. All right. Let's just go. Go like this, then turn it 90. This will be almost perfectly straight. No more than half or quarter. Are you recording, Zach? Yes. Okay. Let's have a look at that. Over here, can you see the little dots? No, that's going to seal, but I'll just give it a bit more. See, one of the cylinders had a blown gasket, so you have to fix it. That'll be perfectly clean by the time I'm finished. Okay, let's have a look at that. You can see a bit more. This is cast iron. Can you see that's just the cast settings? It'll seal, but I'll give it a bit more. You know, it's going to be there for 20-30 years, so may as well give it all you've got. But that's what seals. There, sorry, there. And there, that's what seals. Alright, they're the important ones. Compressor engines are reasonably easy. They're just a few. Take it off the table, so it's going to vibrate. I still see a bit of imperfection here, but that imperfection is in the cast iron. I wouldn't worry too much about it. I always have a piece of marble sitting around just in case I have to do work like this. Because a lot of people just sand it, some people get a wire brush on it, and that's in about 6 months it just blows through. Alright, this way it's good for 30-40 years. That. That's perfectly clean. Show it to the camera. Perfectly clean. Okay, I'd say that's good enough for this. See, all around it's all nice and sealed. This side here, that's got a seal, that's all nice and sealed. All around here is nice and sealed. And over here, that's all nice and sealed, that's just a bit of dirt. Okay, thank you for watching.